Well, how are the children to do this year? The Queen Quet coming to Hunter for Gullah Geechee TV Nation News. And look where we today at for this year Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. We had this year new place that plenty of Hunter children who even there in Charleston, South Carolina, probably in for some new day called Grow Food Carolina. Now Hunter children probably say, well, what kind of thing that is? That what we going to do to growing food? So why the cracker people have to name it they grow food? Because plenty of people that they aim to grow food, then they make their food and things like that. Some of them things synthesized and things like that in lab and things like that. That's why Hunter children find that people that get things what people they had back on and things like that, and you don't wonder what been going on. Well, that's part of why. See, God make up source of food, force to cool, force to come up in there, force to be harvested from the land and the water and things like that. So Grow Food Carolina is a place where the thing what Hunter to get the thing grow right up in the Gullah Geechee Nation. Farming thing close by, it get you, it separate them all, grade them all as we say back on, and then it can't throw them in the box and thing, and guess what? It end up with plenty of Hunter children there all around the country. Cause Grow Food selling plenty of different supermarkets, but the thing grow right here. Now, if y'all want to know how to make sure for help with food safety and things like that, then Hunter can join we and support Grow Food Carolina. You see this your bag and things like that, where you use them over. Well, look here, you can get one of these, and if you get one of these your bag, then all the money go back to this operation of Grow Food. And that way, Grow Food can still help the Gullah Geechee farmers for getting things on the market. So y'all make sure, you can see that website down below, make sure for support Grow Food Carolina right here. And Hunter children know, if Hunter there with me, Hunter going know this year, the what going on. Well, how are the children to do this year? The Queen Quet coming to Hunter from Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week right here in Charleston, South Carolina, in the Gullah Geechee Nation. In time for the Gullah Geechee Jubilee. This year we themed this year for the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival, and a face Hunter children see every year since we started this festival. And we minister information for the Gullah Geechee Nation, Ella Politown, who the founder and director of the Gullah Geechee Angel Network, one of we major sponsor the event every year under God the biggest sponsor ever all time. Yeah. So how are you to do today, Ella Town?
I am doing excellent. I'm all excited about this Gullah Geechee Appreciation Week and the Gullah Geechee International Dance and Movement Festival. I am ready to move.
I know that's right. Shout time. I know that's right. And I know we're about to really get them going, because you know you ain't one Gullah Geechee people to be out in the sun and all that without giving something for damn parts. Because then they can say, oh, I get the weakness, because y'all ain't want to be in. So we know we're about to get a little bit of tears from we chef this year, Chef BJ Dennis, Dennis and thing. Plenty of y'all done see them on We Gullah Geechee Nation Facebook fan page. Y'all done see we gone travel behind them this week to Butcher and Beat, where we had them come to week. So we about to join some of we VIP and get something for damn fun. But now Elder Tom, you know this the first year we had a chef that we featured and things like that. But every year we have a little something different, a little special. What else you think is kind of special this year that you're looking forward to going on?
Well, I'm looking forward to the dance group, because that's part of the theme, the dance, and Rose is going to be dancing. I saw that the thing we get ready to get there.
I know that's right.
And so I'm excited about them, and I'm also excited about the education that people are going to get from you, Queen Quet, and people are going to know who we are. And that we Gullah Geechee, that's right, Gullah Geechee anointed people. And I'm also excited about the chef because he got to pick up okra. Stop with that. That's my favorite thing. I love okra. Yes. Okay. And come all the way from Africa, and I must have come right behind.
Yeah, right behind. You bring some of that seed with you. Had to be a wheat bag right to the fucking waistline. I know that's right there. And see, that's something that a lot of people don't understand. A lot of words are out there in America that people use every day, like okra. That also is called gumbo in Gullah. So when you hear it in New Orleans and people talk about gumbo, then it's really because the word okra is actually gumbo also in Gullah. But now what they make in New Orleans, they make a base called a roux for it. Here, we don't make the roux, you see, but we know what to do and things like that. So if you find in the Gullah Geechee Nation, you have to get some okra and minerals. And see, this your time of year, the thing just the clovers in down on the minerals and okra. That's why we be done put them in the jar and things like that. And see, whenever you come to the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival, you can get that good old jar and think, what we done grow right here. And if you want them fresh, you can come to a place like Grow Food Carolina. If you got a business, See, they want to deal with the business. Individual can't shop at Grove Food Carolina. I saw it. But y'all can buy a usual bag from them. And then you can always get something food and damn what Benjamin Dennis cook or what some other Gullah Geechees cook in town. So just because the Gullah Geechee Jubilee going on now and Hunter might be to watch this after it done over, you can't just say, oh, I miss everything. You ain't gonna never miss me. Because we there, we done been here, and we in the wide no way. So Hunter Chiller, we so glad to sponsor this year event, and we so glad it's time for Hunter Shopping Week, because it's showing up time for the Gullah Geechee Jubilee.
That's right, that's right.
And if Hunter did what we, then Hunter wide on this year, the one wide on.
Yeah.
So glad to have all Hunter Chiller here with me for the VIP reception for this year Gullah Geechee Jubilee. So we want to provide a prayer for open up this year day and for we now fun this year cooking or we share music. Dear God, thank you for this year day. Thank you for this year thing what you done go for me, but now on this year day. We pray see that blessing now so that we the now put them in the one inside, the body and take the build up strength. And we pray for these your hand here, for we brother BJ in the mind, in heart, but still stuck in part with love and day. And we thank you for it. And we thank you for carrying on the tradition this year here. We thank you for all that we sponsor for this year here. We thank you for all that we friends and taking the partners for the kind together, for help the Gullah Geechee nation forever to be right up on this coast in the sea. So we thank you for all the traveling mercy, for all the people who are coming in to Charleston for this year weekend and things like that. And we pray for this year food today that we got now. We pray it nourish your mind, body, and soul. We give you praise, honor, and glory. As we say amen, amen, and amen. All right. So now, before we eat, can we have a few words from the chef? Can you tell us exactly what we have to consume today, sir?
So we got some okra, fresh okra pickle. This is a trigger fish that I steamed and took the meat.
Trigger fish?
Yeah, and made like a salad.
Okay.
That's going to go on this hydroponic lettuce and some little bit of microgreens on top. Just a little bit of oil to kind of loosen up a little bit. And then I got some rice pudding that I'm doing with some fresh watermelon on top and some pecans. And got a little small, like, probably enough for each person of some stuffed banana peppers with some mushroom rice.
They real hot?
The hot peppers are not
They're not too hot?
Not too hot.
Okay.
Got a little kick.
Unless some other people buy them first and they try, I'll leave it alone. Okay. I think I'm gonna have my dessert first. I want the rice and watermelon first. That's it. And what else is that?
I said, keep it light for everybody because early it is lunch, so I got a long day ahead of y'all.
Yeah. So this is trigger fish?
Trigger fish.
Okay.
So it's almost like a salad in a sense.
Okay.
And
And then we got fried chicken for the chicken eaters. We also have our sponsor, the Gullah Geechee Angel Network, that provides the fried chicken because we know all of us are not vegetarians in the South. So we didn't want you to say, oh, the weakness. So you got your proteins and everything here. This looks like a very balanced diet here. And then this is swamp water. All right? We didn't literally get it from the swamp. Calm down, Hannah. Calm down. Sweet tea and lemonade. Right on the side. Right on the side. So now, how should we do this, Chef? Do we get this tape
take with
a
how you
least?
please.
Or just up to us?
Yeah, take how you please.
Okay.
These should be like little individual bites.
Okay.
You were at that meeting down in Beaufort, right? Did I meet you there?
Yeah.
Yeah, I did. How you doing?
Good.
Yeah, good to see you.
I'm the clean mother.
Oh, hello. Yes. Yeah.
Oh, you never met my mom. That's right, Rick.
Yeah, first
You didn't
time.
even meet her. Yeah, you did. Say hi to mother.
The mother?
You met-
Oh, I was going to say, you, not his grandma.
No. Yeah, his grandma.
His grandma?
Yeah. Whoa. My grandma.
Oh, you get to go first then.
That's right. You know I'm gonna get you with my rice. I know you put that little area. Yeah.
we are, actually, we are successful for.
That's what it is. It's the egg quality. Tomatoes. Yeah.
So we're.
I had those little tomatoes when I first saw them. If you hadn't said it was watermelon. You know what I mean?
Please,